Hello everyone, in today's video tutorial I'm excited to guide you through the process of applying a strike-through effect to text in Figma. To begin, ensure you have the Figma software open on your device. Once you're in, either select an existing text layer or create new text by using the text tool from the toolbar on the bottom. Next, look for the right sidebar and scroll down to the typography section. This is where you'll find various text settings that you can adjust to enhance your design. Click on the Type Settings button to open up a dedicated dialog box. Within this Type Settings box, you should see several options displayed. Locate the Decoration option. This is key for our process, and you'll see multiple options available. The last one in the list is Strike Through. Simply select this option, and voila! You'll notice that a line has been drawn through your text, effectively giving it a strike through. And there you have it. That's how you can effortlessly apply the strike through effect in Figma. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, I encourage you to subscribe to the channel for more insightful how-to videos.